National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, eastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 3 miles northwest of Fingerville, or 11 miles southeast of Columbus, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Harris, Alexander Mills and Spindale, Bostic and Forest City, Ellenboro and Mooresboro, Sunshine, Kingstown. People in the path of this severe thunderstorm should be alert for large hail and damaging winds. Frequent lightning and locally heavy rain can occur with any thunderstorm. Seek shelter indoors away from windows and doors until the storm passes. To report damaging winds, large hail, or flooding through our automated reporting system, call our toll-free number 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cleveland, Polk and Rutherford, and the following county, Spartanburg, South Carolina.